Hello, and thank you so much for joining me, Ellen Kamhi, the natural nurse. We're going to talk about supplements, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. How supplement savvy are you? So one of the things we definitely want to know when we're looking at purchasing supplements, it does take a lot of money and we want to know that we're getting the best stuff. So first of all, when do you take your supplements? Timing is key to effectiveness. This is an article that I wrote for Newsmax, and we talk about things. The best way to get all your nutrients is actually from food. But if you're going to take pills, you need to know when to take what. How about the B vitamins? How about fish oil? When in the day should you take them to assure maximum absorption? That's an important topic. There's lots of ways to use herbs, such as a tea. The correct word is actually tisane. Liquids, what's the difference between an extract and a tincture? Capsules, and we'll talk about which are better, liquids or capsules. Which are better, standardized or full spectrum? Both of them exist on the health food store shelves or on wherever you're purchasing your vitamins from, but which should you choose? We'll talk about that. What is the difference between an extract and a tincture? I have found that even knowledgeable herbalists don't really know, but we'll go deeply into it because it matters. In an extract, you're getting 1,000 milligrams in a dropper. In a tincture, you might be getting 200 milligrams or even less in a dropper. There's a big difference. You need to learn how to read the label. What's the difference between wild-crafted herbs versus organic herbs? That's something we'll learn. And how do you choose which one is best? You go into the health food store, there's a million things to choose from. How do you know? You will learn how to read your labels effectively. Also, how safe are herbs? Well, first of all, how safe are pharmaceutical drugs? Pharmaceutical drugs used as indicated are the fourth leading cause of death in the United States. That you should know. So that maybe it might be better to choose eating right, exercise, and using some supplements to deal with keeping ourselves healthy. And vitamins, should you be taking pharmaceutical drugs, they actually deplete vitamins and minerals. For instance, statin drugs, they deplete CoQ10. Antacids interfere with the absorption of iron. Antibiotics decrease B vitamins. Aspirin decreases vitamin C. So if you are taking drugs, you should know what depletes them, and then you should take those supplements or more foods that contain those vitamins and minerals. So they are not the same. High quality brands have a very low amount of additives, but usually a lot of supplements have all kinds of things like magnesium stearate, stearic acid, propylene glycol, and benzoates. Here's a well-known commercial brand, and right from their label, you can see FD&C red, yellow, and polysorbate 80. Is that what you want to spend money on? And benzoate and sucrose, which is sugar, and titanium dioxide, which is a white coloring. You're spending your money on that if you're not reading your labels and becoming supplement savvy. There are also toxic chemicals found right within many supplements, as well as pharmaceuticals, such as yellow number 5, 6, red number 40, blue number 3. Let's learn which ones you want to stay away from. And then once you're getting a good supplement, let's say magnesium, we're going to go through all the different vitamins and minerals and look at what is the best form. We're going to look at the food sources, how to use them correctly. What are the types? Like with magnesium, do you want magnesium oxide or magnesium citrate? Or my preferred form, magnesium glycinate. And we'll talk about why that's a better form. So you will learn a lot in our class, which is called Supplement Savvy, and I'd like to invite you to join us. Just click the link under the video, and we'll see you then. Stay healthy.